Sylvania Roadsight. Installing Roadsight rear. Clean glass to remove any dirt, dust, and grease. Remove adhesive sticker from camera mount. Attach camera to glass. Grab included trim removal tool. Tuck wire. Use the included trim removal tool to tuck power cable away. Run wire to the front of your vehicle. Connect power to dash camera mount. Start car to turn on camera. Pair with Sylvania Connect mobile app, compatible only with Roadsight Plus, Pro, and Stealth. Hold up arrow button to turn on Wi-Fi mode. Open Wi-Fi settings and connect to camera. Follow setup process and you're connected. Sylvania Roadsight. Travel the road with assurance.